Welcome to Part 2, Getting Help from a Librarian. Part 2 will introduce you to a librarian at LHS Chicago. You will also learn about the computers in the library and how to print and add money to your card. The librarian who came out to help me was Lisa. She took me to room 103, which was across from the reference desk. This is a room where librarians will meet with anyone from UIC for help with their research. She showed me how to use the databases I needed for my paper. Since I was on campus, I could automatically get into library resources. If I was off campus, I would need to put in my UIC NetID and password. Lisa also recommended that I use the library website to find full-text articles. Then she showed me how to get the full text for the articles. I could print them out, email them to myself, or save them to a flash drive. She also explained to me that some journal articles are not online and that they may be available in the library as a print journal. Now that I know how to use the library resources, Lisa took me to one of the computers in the library. I had to log in with my NetID and password. I asked her how I would print out my articles. She told me that I can use the $15 that is automatically put on my UIC ID card each semester for printing. I told her that I had used up all of my money at Goldberg last week. She said I could add money to my UIC ID card. The add value machine is attached to a column located in the middle of the first floor. The machine only takes cash. After I hit print on the computer I was on, a box popped up asking me to name my print job. Then I had to type in my NetID and password at the print station and put my card in the card reader. Finally, I selected what I printed and clicked the print button. Once I was done printing, I had to remember to log off the computer. I asked Lisa if any computers in the library had Microsoft Office programs on them. Lisa told me that most of the computers near the reference desk have Microsoft Office programs and other software. Guest computers do not have Microsoft Office programs on them. These are for non-UIC patrons. Another place I could use Microsoft Office programs was the Class of 1941 room. This room was located across from the reference desk and accessible by UIC card reader only. There is also a printer and scanner available in this room. Using the databases and search strategies that Lisa had told me about, I was able to find several citations that looked good for my paper. I printed out the ones that were online. Please go to Part 3, Finding Books and Journals in the Library.